Hi, my luxury besties, it's my very new small business. And my business called ESSENTIÉLUXE. The essence of looks where craft meets luxury. Dive into the world of exquisite handmade soaps meticulously curated to elevate your bathing experience. Join us on a journey of indulgence and self-care as we blend the finest ingredients with creativity and passion, crafting each bar with love and care. From soothing lavender to invigorating citrus, our artisanal creations cater to every preference, leaving your skin nourished, refreshed, and pampered. Introducing Silver Pearl Luxurious Body Wash. This opulent body wash brings a lavish bath experience to your routine. Our body wash combines the richness of natural pearl essence with nourishing oils for a silky smooth, delicately scented lather. Let the soothing touch of silver pearl take you to a spa-like haven in your own bathroom. Enjoy the revitalizing experience it brings to your skin, leaving you refreshed and pampered. Treat yourself to a touch of luxury today. Get ready to immerse yourself in a symphony of scents, colors, and textures as we share insider tips, DIY tutorials, and behind-the-scenes glimpses into the artistry behind ESSENTIÉLUXE. Elevate your daily routine and embrace the luxury of handmade goodness with ESSENTIÉLUXE. Because every bath deserves a touch of looks,